Well, hello there. I am at Decoy Lakes today. I am on Willow Lake. I've come away because my peg is full of carp and it's really clear. I can see the bottom close in, and there's about 40 carp swimming about 13 to 14 metres out, and they've even been as close as 3 metres away, circling the lake between me and peg 3. Told me peg 3 won the match last week. So just from looking at it, there's some fish in the area, so I've come out of the way. We've got 10 minutes before the start. But yeah, I've never been so tentative plumbing up, so I've not properly plumbed up because I'm going to spend at least the first hour dobbing around. I've got 2 long line rigs. We'll try and catch them on bread or dead maggots or something like that. We allow bread here now, but we'll see. I might catch one and then they'll spook, or I might spook them straight away and then they'll just back off into the gap. You don't know. They are circling around and they look pretty active at the moment, but they also look a bit spooky. So anyway, we've got 5 minutes before the start. So I'm going to gear up and fish for carp and quality F1s. 10 to 12 slick and 12 to 14 slick. I've got some green 8 to 10 if it's more of an F1y day, but just looking at it, it looks more carp to me. Probably pellets and corn, but I also got maggots as well, and obviously some bread to dob around. But that's it. So anyway, I'll creep back up to my peg, and we'll see how we get on. I half fancy it, but I'd rather be on the strips or one of the other lakes today. But I like Willow. Well, you always get a day's fishing at Willow, so we'll give it a go. And also for the fence for Decoy Lakes, there's no wind. It's unheard of. Just take your time. That's nicely hooked. I think we'll catch the ghosties anyway. Can't straight away. Can't see it now. There was a ghostie just there. Can't see him now, there's a ripple on it. The chances. He's lost that one. Something swimming that way. Go away, ripple, I can't see a thing now. So he's caught one and lost one, and it's probably knackered it up for someone else. That's right in front of it, go on, go on. Mugging in February. Only a little one. Are they? Probably the smallest one in the shoal, I reckon. Lean torpedo. Another F1. Must be a ball of F1s. Worth catching, isn't he? Come in a bit easier as well than those carp. Get one of the ghosties. He's wrapped round him a bit though. I don't like how he's wrapped round him. Can't see him. All the way to the bottom. Sure. He even swam back for it that way. Cracker. Another ones. Well, I've had 3 carp and 2 F1s in 30 minutes on bread and dead maggots. Mugging in February. That's probably the end because I've just caught a nice big ghostie. I can't see a single fish now anyway, but not a bad start. Just put 2 grains of corn and a pinch of micro pellets. See if we can't catch on that. 14 metres, they've all gone now, as you'd expect. It's catching well on the pole to my right. We don't get a bite on this sore spot to expanders, but I was just hoping a nice positive bit of core would work, especially in this water clarity. He's lost 2 or 3 to my left now. I don't know if they're foul hookers or what. Just missed the bite and then laid it back in again and one's had it straight away. There's a little carp, I think. Good sign. One of those lean commons again. Grain of corn. Three grains and a pinch of micro. Ooh, the blink, a blinky blink. That was a heavier fish. Lovely bite. Substantial, this one. Is it? No, it hasn't. Back in. Just picked up my mortgage rig again. So I just saw a shape. He will not come in. He's not going to come in without a fight, this one. Ooh, come back. Can't believe I'm using 12 to 14 slick in February. Definitely need it. Every time he sees that landing net, it's so clear. Taking the time for perfectly hooked. I had to wait ages for that, but it's a big mirror. And corn again. I'm just debating whether to swap to maggots or not. Because I had to wait ages for him. Come on. He's coming. He's not coming. Bigger than I thought, actually. Christian Jones 2 angles up isn't catching really well. He's a big fish. A few F1s there now. It's a ghost mirror. Ghosty mirror, leathery ghosty mirror thingy. Just swapped to maggots now and I've had a great big one. Had to wait a while, but he's big. Just gone through the reeds, but luckily he's dislodged a load. That is a big fish. I don't even know. scaling down because of the F1s, but I'm not so sure. The old kipper there. Well, this is something you don't see every day. There's a deer on the island of Willow Pool. Now, those who don't know the lake, it's a tiny little narrow footbridge and a great big island. So this deer must have gone over the footbridge. Amazing. Shot over that bridge, isn't it? Nice and simple. $20 odd in the top. I've had this fish on for ages. Big old kipper this. I haven't had any fight like this. He's just bottomed me out and he's just lunging. He's massive. 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 The bubble's coming up. Unless he's in the tail. I'm starting to think he's in the tail now. Oh, it feels a bit taily now. He's just come a metre nearer. I can have him. A metre. Just a metre nearer. Oh, he's in. Just couldn't lift it. It's what you want with a bad arm, isn't it? This is ridiculous. Can't believe he ain't broke me yet. Thing is, it's so clear. I've had him over the landing net twice. This fish has got to be knackered. Yeah, gotcha. Oh, he's in the side. No, he won't come in. 5 chucks on the waggler. Missed the bite, it just didn't feel right. And I've had a couple of looks at 10 metres, well sort of 9-10 metres to the right. Back out 16 metres. 2 maggots. I fed it damp microsm maggots. I had to wait and then it just shot under. It was a nice mirror. It might be near the chin actually, the way he's gone. Yeah, he's in the chin. Thought so. Oh, a pink one. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I really do appreciate all the support. It's just little old me doing this YouTube channel, sharing my matches and sessions and tips and tricks. So it really does mean a lot when people give me a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. So if you want even more stuff on top of what I already do for free, then I do have a channel members area as well, and it's just £2.99 a month. And there's all sorts on there. There's over 40 films already, and it's growing. I'm putting a couple up every single month. Canals, lakes, rivers, you name it. Live matches, sessions, tips, tricks, tactics, you name it, it'll be on there. Well anyway, keep smiling, keep liking, keep subscribing, and I'll see you again on the bank.